morning, students. Welcome to online education. Myself, Mrs. Sanghamitra Sanjay Pawar from CD Crossroad MPS. Yes, this is our online session. Now, I would like to say thank you, our Honorable Administrative Officer, that is Mrs. Veena Sonavne Madam, Nodal Beat Officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Madam, Assistant Nodal, that is Manpreeti Kaur Anand, and CNO, that is Ratilal Sir. So, our today's topic is professions. Yes, our today's subject is English, and our topic is profession, that is occupations. Before that, today's thought is there. Okay. Okay, so our today's subject is English. Welcome to online education. Now today's thought. Work is worship. Okay, good. Okay, work is worship. So today's thought is work is worship. Yes. So it means if you work devotedly, and stay obedient and don't harm anyone, then you can do without literally worshipping God. This is the meaning of today's thought. Okay, this is the meaning of today's thought. Now, our today's topic is occupations or professions. Occupations or professions. Okay. So, yes. So, what is meant by occupations and professions? So, first, this is the introduction of importance of occupations and professions. Okay. So, just the first sentence I'm going to read. Can you see now?
Occupations help us to maintain our living standard.
Okay, don't read that, beta. Listen one thing. In the society, there are people who are involved in various occupations for serving people of the society. Yes. After that, people who are involved in any occupation need knowledge, skill, and trainings to be more professional. Yes, this is the second introduction. Third one, that is all the kinds of works. Listen this sentence carefully, okay? Listen this sentence carefully. That is all the kinds of works which people do are related to earning enough for their living are called occupations or professions. This is very much important sentence. Okay. Now fourth one, that is examples of our occupations are given below. There are some pictures that are various occupations or professions. Now, what is the importance of occupations? So there are 7 importance. So first one is
Computer progress.
yes, occupation helps us to maintain our living standard. What is second one? Hassan, read that.
It enhances the qualification, skills, and capacities
And
of persons.
okay, third one. Can anybody read? What is the third importance?
My
Yes.
name is Shamika.
Yes, Shamika, read. Yes, Shamika, read.
Miss, the third one will be vegetarian.
It keeps one.
Yes, it keeps one busy and disciplined.
Okay, what is fourth one?
It helps us to earn money and become self-dependent.
Dependent. Okay, fifth one is it help for personality development. Sixth one, it leads country.
Rapid pace of development.
Okay, and
Seventh one,
seventh one.
people who are involved into occupations earn social
Respect. Okay, so this is the introduction. First one, that is the introduction, and second one, that is the importance of occupations or professions. Okay, this is our today's topic. Now,
Miss, what is meanings of
now
which lesson you are teaching?
yes. Okay, so the first, yes, sorry, beta. Ask again.
Miss, which lesson you are teaching? What is meaning of this lesson?
Professions, that is occupations. Occupations means there are some people in our society. Okay, that first sentence is important. Okay. Now the first one is farmer. Okay.
Yes,
Farmer.
ma'am.
Okay.
Farmer.
So,
I
a farmer. Where you see the farmer? Where you
Miss
see?
on the field on the doing fielding and like this all.
Okay, yes. So, just I'm going to explain about a farmer. A farmer is a person who grows plants and raises animal. Is it true?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Is
For
it
which
true?
use? For human use. And farmers have to work
Yes,
very hard.
we
Yes,
be
farmers.
eating food to give us farmer.
Yes. So they work very hard and long hours in order to be successful. Okay, the work of farmer is necessary for human survival. Without farmers, we can't live. So this is very much important occupations or professions in our society. Okay, now next one is, can you see this?
Will
Teacher.
be
Okay,
teacher.
yes.
Teacher
So
is
all of you
teaching
know about
students.
teacher. Okay,
Yes.
so teacher is a person who helps people to learn.
Study.
Yes. After that,
Yes,
a
teacher
teacher.
is teaching to students.
Yes. Okay. After that, a teacher often works in a classroom with students. Yes. And teachers often explain new knowledge. After that, write on the blackboard, write on the whiteboard, help the
Blackboard.
students. Yes. And help their work, that students work, and mark the student words, check the papers, set the papers, all things are teacher done for their students. Okay, so this is second profession, second occupation. Now third one is, can you say this?
Doctor.
Doctor.
Doctor. Excellent. So doctor
Doctor
is
is
a
a
person
person
who
who
helps to keep, yes, so
uh,
doctor is a person who helps to keep human health in healthy condition. Yes, and
doctor
doctor
gives
help
humans.
patients to get relief. Yes, to get relief from their pain. Okay, and doctors play a very essential role in human life. They don't have a fixed lifestyle just like us. They don't have a fixed lifestyle just like us, means 5 days of working or only 8 hours working time slot. Okay, they have to be available any seconds of emergency. They must go. Okay, now next profession is, can you say this?
Yes.
Yes,
Who is she?
it
Nurse.
is teacher.
She is
Nurse.
nurse. Okay. So can anybody explain about nurse? Yes,
Yes,
Shamika. Yes,
yes,
Shamika. Hmm.
yes. Nurse is helping to girls,
Hmm.
women, no
Hmm.
women, and she gives an injections
Yes.
and nurse help us to all.
Yes. Very nice, beta. Thank you. So nurse is a person who is trained to give care to people who are sick or injured. Yes. And nurses work with doctors. Nurses always work with doctors and other health cares. Yes. So what is the duties of nurse? To make patients well and to keep them fit and healthy.
Healthy.
After that, nurses give emotional support. That is very much important. Nurses gives emotional support and
Support.
advice to patients and their family members. These are the duties of nurse. Okay. Now, next picture. Can you see this? Who is this person?
Yes, Miss
Yes,
Builder.
it makes building. This all
Yes.
person makes
That
buildings.
that is called. A particular word is there.
Builder.
No, it is
Field
an engineer.
engineer. Yes, yes.
Yes. So, what are the duties are the engineers?
Miss, I can
Shamika.
tell you.
Yes, please.
Building.
Engineers makes buildings and it's help us to live.
Hmm. Okay. So, an engineer is a person with a proper education. That is very much important. Engineer is a person with a proper education in the field of engineering. That is very much important. Okay. And what they do, the engineers design materials, after that, structures, machines, and systems. That is very much important. Now, next one. Who is this person?
Miss, it is who is this?
Find out.
Pilot.
No, he is a goldsmith. Can you see
Oh.
that gold?
Yes.
Yes, yes. So he is a goldsmith. So what is the work? What are the duties of goldsmith?
Goldsmith is making gold.
Hmm.
And this.
No, Miss Goldsmith is making gold, and it's selling also on
Yes.
some
Okay. Yes, yes. So
rupees.
goldsmith is a metal worker. It is called a metal worker who specializes in work with
And
gold
the
and
gold is
other
not
precious
selling.
things also. Okay. And nowadays they mainly specialize in jewelry making. Okay, jewelry making. But
Yes,
historically, in previous period, goldsmiths have also made silverware platters. Platters, that is a large flat dish.
it
Okay.
also makes like silver and
Hmm.
gold.
Yes,
Only
yes. After that, they make goblets. Okay, so goblet means a drinking glass with foot and stem. That is called goblets. Okay, and also they make decorative and serviceable utensils and ceremonial. Ceremonial means used for public event and religious item. Okay, so these are the duties of goldsmith. Now, can you see this? Who is this
Miss-
person?
Um.
yes, Miss.
Yes.
It will
Identify.
be housekeeper.
No. See the material he used around him.
Carpenter.
Smith. No, he is a blacksmith. There is a fire and that hammer is there. Okay. Can you see this? Fire is there, hammer is there. Yes. So he is a
Yes.
blacksmith. Okay. So blacksmith is a
What is
person
the
who works.
next
Yes.
work
Yes.
of housemate? This
Yes. He is a person with iron and steel. He use iron and steel and blacksmith hammers hot iron on an anvil. So this is the anvil. This is called the anvil. Yes. So what is mean by anvil? A heavy iron block with a flat top on which metal can be hammered and shaped. That is called the anvil. Yes. So he used that anvil, changes its shapes, and they make iron and steel tools. Yes. So this is called a blacksmith. Now next person. Can you see this?
yes.
He is working with shoes and all things, shoes and chappals. So what is his name?
Cobbler.
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 Excellent, Hassan. Okay, so cobbler are people who make and mend shoes and boots by replacing worn soles and heels by either sewing or gluing on the new pieces. Okay,
Yes.
they cement
Mixing
means they
and
blind, nail or sew soles and heels to shoes. Okay, and shape shoes heels with a knife. That is their work. Okay, so sanding them on a buffing means leveling wheel for smoothness. So they work on shoes, chappals, and all that thing. That is called the cobbler. Okay. Now next one is, who is this person? He paints
with
something.
painter. It's all
Painter.
painter.
Yes. So this painter is painting walls, doors, and some other
Those
parts of
windows
buildings or our houses.
Yes.
Okay.
with
One more
also
painter is there. Okay, that is called an artist. One more painter is there. That is called an artist who paints pictures.
artist.
Is it
Yes.
okay?
Yes,
Who paints pictures?
picture.
Yes, that
Yes,
is called
yes.
an artist.
Artist.
Yes. Yes. Now,
I'm also making pictures like
yes. So you are also artist. You are also painter. Now
pot
next one
maker.
is
Pot
Potter.
maker.
potter. Okay. So he work with clay and all things. Yes. So a
No,
potter
it
or a
is
pottery
like
maker.
soil. Soil.
Soil. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So potter or a pottery maker is a craft artist. It is called a craft artist who uses their artistic talents to create pots. Yes, what he
Pot.
creates pots. After that, he creates dishes. After that, mugs. After that, vases and other types of artwork. Yes, and most of all potters create functional pieces. Functional, that is special activity or special use for special activity or use for special purpose. Yes,
Yes.
and they mean to be put everyday use.
Yes,
Okay, so all these things that potter
Make.
Make. Now next one is
Driver. Bus driver.
driver. Bus driver is there. So what are the duties of bus driver? Can anybody explain?
It take us. It take 2 hours and
Hmm?
sending that
Yes.
her home, like everything is doing.
Yes, Hassan.
They reach to the destination.
Yes, yes, excellent. So pick and drop of passengers at designated location. This is the first duty. After that, follow a planned route. Yes, they must follow the planned route according to their time schedule. Yes, after that, help disabled passengers. So, what is meant by disabled passengers? That is those having physical or mental problem. Okay, so they help that passengers get on and off in the bus. Yes, and perform basic maintenance. Means check the bus tires, lights, and oil, and they keep the bus clean. So these are the duties of driver, bus driver. Now, the other helper, other occupation, other profession is that? Find out.
It's director.
It is she is a conductor.
Yes, Miss Conductor. Sorry, I tell
Okay,
director.
okay. No problem. Okay, so bus conductor
Miss,
have many
it's-
responsibilities.
I
Yes.
can tell you what she is doing.
Hmm. Yes.
It takes rupees to us and
Hmm.
it gives gifts to everyone.
Yes, very nice. So bus conductors have many responsibilities. Okay, so including taking fares. Fares means the money paid for journey. That is called fare. Okay, issuing tickets, assisting passengers with their luggage. Yes, and advising them on their way to destinations and ensuring the safety of passengers. So these are the duties. These are of the conductors. Hmm? Now next one is who is she?
Tailor.
Tailor. So what work she do?
Miss, it make us to clothes and
Hmm?
it gives us.
Yes, cut and measure fabric according to a pattern or the design. Okay, sew clothing by hand using a needle and she using
Is
needle and
these.
thread or with sewing machines. Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
and mark garments to note alteration are necessary. These
If
are the works of tailor.
and
Now
we-
this one is
Fire
fire firefighter. So the firefighter are people whose job is extinguish means to
यहाँ पे
cease to
आगे
burn. Okay. Yes. So rescue the people from the fire, and these vehicles are appropriately equipped for the emergencies they respond to, and typically can pump water and foam to put out fires. These are the duties of firefighter. Yes.
Yes.
Now next one is
policeman.
policeman. So can anybody explain about policeman?
Yes,
He-
policeman is helping to us.
Hmm. And
It's wake up that nights for helping to us.
okay, so police officer job is to protect the public and make sure people obey the law. This is also important. Yes.
He calls
And
the thief
yes, good. Now next one is
in army,
army,
Indian.
that is soldiers. Okay, so soldier is the guardian of our nation and he protects the country from enemies. That is very much important. Soldier's duty is very hard and dangerous. Yes, he has a gun, he has pistol, he has bombs and other weapons which he use on enemies, and he does not worry about his life and follows the orders of his officers without wasting
Yes.
a moment. That is very much important. And a
Yes.
soldier is proud of the nation, and even country remains safe only because of he. Yes, that is very much important. Now next one is
Carpenter.
yes, beta, very nice. So carpenter, can anybody explain about carpenter? Do you know about?
Chairs, tables, doors.
with
Yes. Okay. So all wooden things he made.
yes.
Yes. Now next one is
Hospital
first
Astronaut. Yes, Hassan. Explain about astronaut. An astronaut is a person.
Go
Miss
out.
K.
Hmm?
Sharma is born first time on astronauts.
Yes. Okay. So astronaut is a person. He take a spaceship to outer space to study things like asteroids, the Earth's atmosphere, and the
Born
moon.
on
Yes.
1936. And I don't know any. I know, but
Okay.
he was born on 19.
Okay. Good. Next slide is there. Can you
Wait.
see this?
It is news.
News reporter or journalist. Okay.
Yes.
So they researches, writes and reports information. They write these articles and stories by
At
interviewing
the
people.
at
Yes, they
the
ask. Huh. They ask
at
question to people.
the India TV.
Yes. Yes. So the telling the truth is very important part of their job. Okay.
We want to see this news.
Yes. Yes. Must see. Now next one is.
Miss, it is flower making.
Yes, yes, she's a florist. So florist work is they work with plants in the retail level, okay, and selling all types of flower to customers on daily basis. Yes, and the rest of they spend arranging bouquets as well as taking special orders for birthdays, wedding, yes, and special occasions. Yes. Now, who is this person?
Miss, it makes AC and it's making all tap.
Yes, so what is the proper word used for that work? Asan, who is this? Is a person that is a plumber. Ah, yes. So plumber is a
Number,
person who,
number.
yes, correct, connect and repair things such as water, drainage pipe, baths, and toilets. Okay, that is his work. Now next one is.
Medical, it is medical.
Yes, yes. So he is a chemist. So chemist is a person who knows all about drugs that is medicines, their compositions and their side effects. Okay.
Miss,
And
I
who is
know.
yes, yes, and who is druggist? So druggist is a person who stores and sell the medicines. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now next one is
Uh,
archaeologist. Hmm? Is an archaeologist is a scientist, huh, who studies human history. Yes, archaeologist is a scientist who studies human histories by digging up human remains. Yes, and they also study the customs, values, and social patterns of different cultures. These are the duties of archaeologist. Huh? Now next one, who is she? She is an architect. She is an architect. Yes. So architect is a person who designs buildings. Yes. And advises in their construction, also guide a plan also. Hmm? Now, next one. He is a Hassan. Who is he? You forgot the name. He is a barber.
Yes, Miss, it is a barber.
Yes. So barber is a person whose occupation is mainly to cut and shave men's hair or beards. Okay.
Hair also it's cut.
And his place of work is known as barber shop. Yes.
Barber shop.
Yes. And barber shop is also place of social interaction. यहाँ वहाँ की बातें, that is called social interaction. Okay. Now next one is
What is this? Miss, it says dhobi.
excellent beta. Nice. So washerman. In other words, we can call that washerman is known as dhobi. In some
Washer-
places, yes. In some places, it is known as dhupi or
Washerman.
rajka. Rajka. In some places, it is called dhupi or rajka. What does it mean? So it means remover of dirt. They remove the dirt from our clothes. Okay. So it is a group of Indian subcontinent whose traditional occupations are washing
Miss,
and
it
ironing
washing.
clothes and ironing the clothes. Yes, Shamika, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now next slide. It is very easy.
Miss, it is fisher.
Fisherman. So what is the duties of that fisherman?
Miss, it caught fish and put on one bags and
Hmm?
sells on the market.
Yes. So fisherman is a person who catches fish that live in water. Huh? And they usually catch fish, okay, that they can sell in the market to make money. Okay. Yes. Now next one is, who is that person?
Gardener.
Gardener. Yes.
Flower.
Sorry.
It's a flower making.
No, he's a gardener. Okay. He's a gardener. So he maintain the beauty of plants. He maintain the beauty of plants, outdoor grounds and trees in the garden. That is his work. Yes. And they can work on local parks. They can work also on local parks, hotels, after that farms, and also work on nurseries. Okay, so they maintain the beauty of the plants. That is very much important. That is called the gardener. Now this one is Hassan.
Miss, one is a coat. It is
Why she wear that? Why she wear that black coat, and who is she?
it is judge.
She is an advocate. She is an advocate. So advocate is a person who is professionally qualified. Yes, who is professionally qualified to plead. What is mean by plead? Plead means make an emotional appeal. Okay, so an advocate is a person who is professionally qualified to plead the cause of another in the court of law. Yes, and also he or she puts a case on someone else's behalf. Is their duty. Now, next one is his family.
Postman.
Yes, very nice, beta. So, what is the duty? What work
It's
he do?
someone at home and it gives us Aadhaar card and license, LIC.
Okay, and
Messages and letters.
yes, very nice, beta. So, postman plays an important and useful role in our life, in also in society. Okay, he wears which uniform? A khaki. Can you see this?
Yes,
Yes, so he wears a khaki uniform and carries leather bag, okay, on his shoulder. And every morning, that is important, every morning he goes to the post office. Why he goes to the post office? To get
Why?
the dark.
Takes
Yes,
Aadhaar
that,
card and an
that all letters and things are called dark. So every morning, the postman goes to the post office to get the dark of his locality. Yes. And he sorts the letters. Next thing is he sorts the letters and then goes from door to door to deliver that parcel, that couriers, that letters, and all things. Okay. Now, next slide is
cleaner.
cleaner or sweeper. Good. So they are a street sweeper. And what their duties? They clean the street,
It's
usually in an urban area, not in village, in urban area. And they use a broom, yes, to clean the garbage, the waste
good.
paper, and all things. Okay, so these all are the occupations or professions. Okay, yes, yes. Now, do you understand about these professions?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Do you like that slides and that pictures and that information?
yes,
Yes.
miss.
Now it's time to evaluation. So activity first is there. Answer the following questions. Shamika, read the first question. Shamika. Yes, Asan, read.
What is an occupation? Give examples.
So what is an occupations? Let me know.
Miss, like paper, gardener,
Hmm.
and doctor.
Hmm. Yes. So these are called are occupations. So examples. You give that examples. Yes. Can anybody read the second question? Why is an occupation important? Why it is important?
Because we have to earn money.
Yes, good. To earn money, to get respect and all things. Okay. Now, third question is very much important. What is your future aim? So, Hassan, what is your future aim? Why have you chosen it? And give your own opinion. So, what is your future aim in future? What you decided about?
Miss
Shamika? Yes. What about Shamika? Shamika, what is your future aim? Shamika is not there.
No, miss.
Okay. Now, next activity.
उसका mic बंद है.
Next activity. Read this. Who am I? Who
Yeah.
am I? So, first is I wear a uniform. I work in a hospital. I help a doctor. What is the answer?
Nurse.
Good. Now, I work in a school. I have students. I teach new things. That is
Teacher.
Has- teacher. I work in office. In an office, I make phone calls. I make appointments.
Miss Secretary.
Yes. Secretary. Good. Now I wear a uniform. I often wear green. I defend my country.
Soldier.
I drive a tractor. I grow vegetables. I have animals.
Farmer.
Yes. Now 6-1. I work with scissors. I wash, dry and brush. I cut hair.
Hairdresser.
Hairdresser. Okay. I wear a white hat. I like cooking. I work in a kitchen.
Chef.
Chef. Other people also please answer. I drive a car. I charge a fare. I drive a taxi.
Driver.
Driver. Okay. So this is the activity 2. That is who am I? 1 is missing.
No, miss. No.
Okay.
Miss
Yes.
Fire दिया है मगर यहाँ है.
Yes. Now next one is there. This is the activity 3. Okay. I will send the screenshot in this activity. Yes. So after
Yes.
that you have to complete it. Now complete the jobs crossword. This is the crossword. Okay. So you have to read that question and find out the correct answer and then put the correct word in that crossword. Okay. This is your activity 3rd. Now activity 4, that is you have write a number in the box to match the correct occupations, that is professions. Occupations, that is professions. So scientist is on which number?
First.
Yes. After that carpenter.
Miss
Carpenter 7. Excellent beta. Then soldier.
Soldier is on 4th.
4. After that pilot.
Pilot 6th.
Okay. Other people unmute yourself and answer me. After that lawyer.
Lawyer miss 3rd.
Lawyer.
Miss no 5th.
Yes. Now it is correct. Bus driver.
Bus driver 8th.
8. Electrician is on which number?
Electrician is on 2nd.
2nd. And last one lecturer is
3rd.
3rd. Excellent beta. Nice. Okay. This is the activity 4. Now it is a time to homework. Okay. So take a screenshot, find and circle the words in the word search puzzle. Okay. So first word is doctor. So you have to find out the doctor word in this word puzzle. Okay. And then circle it. After that, dentist is there, nurse is there, wait is there, teacher, cook. Yes, so many professions, so many occupations are there. So you have to find out these words and in that word puzzle. Okay. This is your today's homework. Okay. So thank you, kids, for listening. Okay. Take care. Bye. And complete your homework. Okay. Take care and bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.